Today we took the Unimog out for a bit of a four-wheel drive, and we had a bit of a brake failure and the brakes came on. We lost air pressure and we found the trouble, and we're going to show you how to fix it. We took the spare wheel off and we found this air hose here. I can't even take it off now. Oh, Jackie, can you pull it off there?
10-4. Easy.
Now it's coming. Is it stuck on now because of the heat? Because it's cold now. Hang on, stop. This is the fitting that came apart, and as soon as that came off, the handbrake came onto the back and we were unable to drive the car. The Unimog. This is the fitting that was coming apart, but now that it's cooled down, we can't get it off. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a bit of heat onto it, separate it, and then put some JB Weld on it so it'll never come off again. There's the fitting that the pipe was blowing off. We're just going to clean that up with a wire brush, then put some JB Weld on it and push it back in, and she should be fixed. Okay, that's the JB Weld 2-pack glue that we're going to use. Just going to mix that up here now. We don't need a lot. Just equal amounts there. All of this stuff here. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, you just mix it up until it's a uniform colour. Now this stuff takes 24 hours to set, so you've got a fair bit of time to work with it. It doesn't go off straight away, so we can leave that. And we'll just clean the inside of the pipe with brake clean. We'll just put a bit of this on the fitting, and then in 24 hours should be good to go. Turn it off. And we just sprayed a bit of brake clean on the fitting and just clean up with a wire brush so she's nice and clean. Just spray a bit more brake clean on there, Jack. Nice and steady. Beautiful. Now we've already cleaned a bit there where the pipe's going to go, so we'll just dry that off. I'm just going to put it on here. We're not going to put it too close to the hole because we don't want anything going into to block the pipe. So we'll just start it off here. And when that gets hot again, that won't blow off like it did to us about 3 or 4 times today. Alright, just stop there. I'll tap that in there. That's not working too good. She's going now. Just got to make sure that goes in all the way. Looks like it's in, yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, now we'll leave that and just wipe off that excess with a rag. Just wiping that excess off. Beautiful. Now we'll just let that go 24 hours. That screws into there. We'll probably put that in now so that way it stays in that. And it's in position, and we'll cable tie those. Okay, so that's the fitting reassembled and the JB Weld's on. We just let it go 24 hours and that should be a permanent repair. That's it.